Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to clean your car wheel very fast and very easy. To do this you only need a degreaser. I'm using my oven degreaser because it's very good at lifting up the brake dust from the wheel. To begin, all you have to do is to spray the degreaser onto the wheel and after that onto the brush. After you're done with brushing the wheel, all you have to do next is to rinse it with some water. Don't forget to brush even the tire very good in order to make all the dirt come out. As you can see, you can already see some difference. Here on the back of the wheel, you have to do the same steps in order to clean it very good. Just spray some degreaser onto the wheel and after that brush it with your brush. Take your time if you want to make it look very good. Now I will show you some pictures with the before and after, with the front side of the wheel and with the back side of the wheel. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.